Hello and welcome back to the Scale Modelling Cafe, and welcome to a little video of an unboxing. So I've just been away for a few days visiting family before I fly back, and a box has... There it is. So I thought what I'd do is, I've got bits on my t-shirt. I thought what I'd do is open it and just show you exactly what I've got. So I'll just put you down there. Here we go, little knife. Open things up. Always exciting, isn't it, this sort of moment? And let's see what we have. Recyclable packaging. Little note. Not sure what that is. Right. A plain white box. Overtrees. This is from Eduard. I ordered it direct. This Overtrees here is for the 109F in 72nd scale. How cool is that? So this is the F4. So I got myself one of those for the stash. I've got the dual boxing arriving hopefully tomorrow. I've got another Overtrees. This is for the BF 110E in 48th scale. Now, I built the C and the D in 48th scale, but I quite fancy doing at some point an E in winter whitewash with the wasp up the nose. I've done it in 72nd. I fancied just getting the Overtrees, so it's sat there. Oh, excuse me, hello, itchy nose. Well, I have a flash of inspiration. Right, this Overtrees box, this is the Wildcat, the F4 early. I hadn't got the Wildcat yet. I was waiting for the FM2. I think I'm going to get the FM2 as well in the Overtrees when that comes out. Or I might get it weekend. But yeah, I've not actually seen this in the flesh, and I've seen great things online, so I thought I'd get the Overtrees version. That's it for the kit, so I've got some other bits and pieces, but Overtrees, yeah, okay, postage is quite dear, but I just thought it's such a good deal, and let's just put in a big order, and it kind of makes a little bit more sense, I think. Right, various accessories. So I have here the Brassin wheelbase for the 109F in 72nd. I like this little box that they do, but it doesn't quite fit in this sort of packaging. I think they need to look at that because it's a bit kind of awkward. Anyway, got one of them. I also got the radio bay. I also got some exhausts. I also got the space set, and again, oh, here we go. I've got the other set of wheelbase, so I've got the square ones and the round ones. If you, I'll put a card at the end of the video, but I'm a big fan of the Overtrees and the space set because you get pretty much everything you need in that. What I am going to do is I'm going to use just some of the accessories on the dual boxing that's going to come, and eventually when the cockpit and the engine get released, I'm going to throw everything at the Overtrees with that. That's going to be the plan. Right. The other thing I got, two other things, is if I can open this package. If I can get it out, is a little sticker and a beer mat for the 109F release, and quite a natty Hungarian side profile on this one. So I think what you get is all the different various profiles on the beer mats. So I got the Hungarian one, which I think is really cool. And in this little box here, some of you may probably guess what's in here already because of the little marketing deal that they're doing. Limited to the first 500 pieces. Beer glass. And I'm going to have one of these tonight because I've only got a couple of days to go before I go back, and there'll be no more of that coming. But this is the Eduard beer glass. It's got the Tatzelwärme on the front. It's that one. And yeah, really quite a nice little thing. Sent free if you bought a kit. At the first 500 orders, including kits, get one of these. So I'm super excited to get this. They did offer these with the, I think it was the initial Royal class that got released of the 109. I can't remember if it was the G or whether they did it for the F as well. I don't know. But yeah, that is super cool. And I'm really pleased to have that. Right, that's it. That's everything in the package. I thought I'd just do that little unboxing there because you may well be interested, you may not. But it's always exciting opening a box and a package. And I might do another one of these tomorrow because I am expecting something from Andy from Antics in Bristol to arrive tomorrow, including, I'm hoping, the 109F dual combo. He did say it should be with me tomorrow. I hope it is because that's the last day, because Friday I fly back. Not a massive disaster if it doesn't get to me in time because the missus and the girls are coming out in September anyway, in about sort of 7 or 8 weeks. So there we go. Okay, I'll wrap it up there. I'm not going to do any sprue tours or anything like that on this, unless the 109 dual boxing doesn't arrive tomorrow, in which case I'll bring the 109F in 72nd out with me and I'll do a sprue tour on that, but obviously it won't have any instructions or photo etch or masks or anything like that to go with it. That'll be the plan. All right, okay, I'll leave it there. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.